Just when we thought the Australian dollar might be recovering, it hit a 12-month low. Let's find out why and where it is at the moment. Firstly, here are the exchange rates between the Australian dollar and other major currencies at the moment. With a lower dollar, it could be a good time to exchange other currencies back to Aussie dollars. Here are the average rates the big four banks will offer you for exchanging currency or making an international money transfer. They're quite different, aren't they? This percentage difference is the margin between the actual rate and the rate you're offered. It's this difference and the fees you get charged that you need to be careful of when it comes to currency. Last week, the Australian dollar dropped to a 12-month low against the US dollar. Let's have a look at how it tracked through the whole week. It was the middle of last week where we saw the Aussie dollar drop below 74 US cents, prompting the commentary that it could fall even further by the end of the year. It remained low throughout the rest of the week and failed to recover before the weekend. The dollar is now 7 cents lower than it was in January 2018 and has fallen 4% since the middle of June. There are a number of factors that have impacted our dollar, but one of the biggest drivers has been the unexpected strengthening of the US economy. After the drop we saw last week, let's see how the Australian dollar is faring in relation to the bank's 2018 forecasts. The forecasts have officially remained unchanged in the last week, but due to the Australian dollar's position, these forecasts now see the Australian dollar to increase or remain unchanged in the next 6 months. This is different because last week the same forecasts were lower than where the Australian dollar currently is. To be regularly updated about the Australian dollar, you can watch our weekly market updates and subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss one. Our channel is full of videos about how to make international money transfers, company reviews, and tips on how to save money when it comes to currency. Finally, our website, thecurrencyshop.com.au, allows you to compare exchange rates when it comes to currency exchange or international money transfers. So if you're about to head overseas or if you need to send money overseas, you can head to our website and compare rates there. Have a great week.